So I'm getting ready to go to LA. I have a flight today. I'm there for like a week. And I was up until like 1 a.m. packing. Like, packing is dreadful no matter how you slice it. I have no tips other than just do it. I always wait until the last minute and just be over it. So initially I always start out as like trying on every outfit, and then I just get over it and I just start throwing a bunch of things in my suitcase. The goal is though to try to make sure my bag is under 50 pounds. So fingers crossed, but I brought a carry-on like duffel bag just in case, because I always do shopping when I'm in LA. I do plan on thrifting. Yeah, I had to drop 50 off last night to his sitter. She's like awesome, and that's where he has a girlfriend. When mommy is away, he has a life too. Yeah, I was watching Jackie's video where she went to the Met, and she was talking about how she packs things that she can wear in multiple different ways. Girl, I try to do that, but the way I'm set up, I'd be like, no, I can't wear the same thing twice. Like, I'll wear the same, like maybe shirt and like overshirt maybe, but the same bottoms, I don't know. But that is the key. You want to pack things that you can wear. Everybody's texting me. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go to LA. I'm actually really excited. It's been a minute since I was out there, like over a year. So I just want to check the temperature, see what it's giving. The last time I was out there, it was like the middle, like the height of the pandemic. So nothing was open, there's nothing to do. So yeah, I'm gonna see a few people, just, you know, like I said, check the temperature, see the vibe. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited because I definitely thinking about where I'm gonna spend the winter, because winters in New York City is just not it. The way my seasonal depression is set up, it's just not giving. And so yeah, LA might be a move for sure, for sure. All right, so here goes today's airport outfit of the day. I always love me a nice elevated sweatpant. These are from Visionary Society. Top is Daily Paper. So yeah, repping some black owned streetwear brands. And then I have on my Solomons. They're so comfortable. And definitely have on my headscarf. I don't care what Monique says. One thing about the airplane, it dries everything out. Your skin, your face, and your hair. And I have an event to go to later on today, so I need my hair to be popping, okay? So we are wearing this scarf, all right? This is definitely like my outdoor scarf. I have a scarf for bed, and then I have one that I wear outside. But yeah, waiting for my Uber to get here. Here's my luggage. Shout out to Away. This is like the best luggage ever. So dope. I have so many bags, but I am going for a week, so that's what she needs. Made it to LA, and look who I run into. All the way on the other side of the country. You can't keep us apart.
Oh, how are you? I know you was looking like, how the fuck
I was like, where is she at? Right now it's recording, so say hi. Oh God.
No pictures, please.
No pictures, please. Say hi to the camera.
So you basically see the same vendors
So like,
at every flea market.
what kind of stuff do they have? Like just random things? Just random stuff? Yeah, just like this setup.
Okay.
Like with this and then that.
Okay.
Because then we can just, and then I think we can get like a full length mirror for like the back of the door. Can you show me what it looks like when they record it?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll have
Wait, I didn't know that they had this. We could have just bought that.
what?
These boards instead of the things
soundboards.
that we got.
What'd you get?
We got those screens and we were gonna glue.
Oh God.
See, if I would have did some
We
research. That's
Maybe you should have asked me.
Oh God, I don't know.
Okay, let's go here first before they start. Someone's recording in the content bathroom, but I'll show it to you later.
Oh, the content bathroom.
Oh, sorry. Are you recording? Can I just show Kia the space? Come here, Molly. Molly, come here.
I was like, hey! Oh my god.
He is so cute.
This is Ty's dog, Wally. This is Kia.
Hello, hello guys.
But is this your podcast setup?
So now we're just gonna take some before pictures.
I think I was using this. Well, this is just before, so that's fine. And then we'll do a before video where you kind of like tap the product, and then we'll do the after. And then you can do a video. Let's do one of you, and then you can